So what is the best affordable RC car? Well, my opinion is this thing. I got this for about 80 bucks, I think. Or you can get them for 80 bucks, or I think it's 100 and something if you go on different websites. But I'll talk about this. I'll link the product down below. They're not sponsoring me, so this is an honest opinion. And let's get into it. So basically, this thing here is a four-wheel drive. It's got good grippy wheels on there. They're soft, good for four-wheel driving. And yeah, so it's got a battery in the inside. This thing here. And it's 1500 milliamp hours, which is a lot. And it has 7.2 volts, which is quite fast for volts, or quite strong for an RC car. This thing isn't too fast. It's not made for speed, it's made for crawling, like going up hills and stuff, or going over rocks. So I've had this thing for about a year or two now. It's absolutely great. The one thing I would add is a little bit more speed, like a brushless motor in there or something, to make it a little bit more faster. But it is a crawler, so it is made to go slow and crawl over big hills and rocks and stuff. The remote here has these things here to set like the wheels to go straight, and if it comes like, or if you bang it into a wall or something and they go like that, sorta, this button here, you can change it and it slowly goes that way and then sets it straight, your wheels. These things are extremely easy to take apart. On the side here, there's just a nut and a bolt, or just a nut, and then here, there's just a screw. So you can just go along with your screwdriver, take it off, boom, you got the wheels off then. And when you turn the thing on, when I turned it on, it'll go like this. So if your wheel's already like that, it'll auto center. So that's quite good. This thing here is really good at crawling as well. It's got amazing suspension. Look at it. This is my hand on top, and this is it here. You've got shocks in there, and it's just honestly amazing. It's got real good torque, and if you don't believe me, go have a look at some of my shorts. I climb it over a bunch of stuff, just driving over all the stuff. I'm going to take it for a drive now, going, I don't know, on the road, going down, checking if there's no cars as well, safety first, and driving down the footpath, and then having a look what's down there. I'm also going to take this thing through some boggy sand to see if it can make it through there, which will be pretty good, and we'll find out.